Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage cash reserves with Chime, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To manage cash reserves with Chime, start by downloading the Chime app from your device's app store. Open the app and create an account if you haven't already done so. Once logged in, navigate to the spending accounts section. Here, you can view your current balance and transaction history. To set up your cash reserves, go to the Save feature in the app. Select Save for Goals to create a new savings goal. Enter the name for your cash reserve, such as emergency fund or vacation savings. Specify the target amount you wish to save for. Next, choose how much money you want to set aside from each paycheck. You can also manually transfer funds into this goal whenever you prefer. To monitor your progress, check the visual indicator showing how close you are to reaching your target. Adjust your savings plan if necessary, based on your financial situation. Utilize the roundup feature to automatically round your transactions to the nearest dollar and save the difference. Regularly review your goals to stay motivated and make adjustments if needed. You can access the transaction history to see how your saving habits evolve over time. With Chime, you can also set up automatic transfers to your reserves. This feature ensures that you consistently contribute to your savings without having to think about it. Remember to keep an eye on your overall spending to maintain a healthy balance between saving and spending. Finally, take advantage of Chime's budgeting tools to align your savings goals with your monthly budget. Managing cash reserves with Chime is simple and effective, helping you reach your financial goals efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.